Hello everyone, today is my 100 video, so I decided to use white background instead of black as usual. In this video, we are going to be focusing on the three states of matter and their various changes. First of all, what is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and can occupy space. Everything around us is made up of what we call the matter. A state of matter. Matter can take different forms depending on the condition. Here on the earth is generally in three forms, which is the solid, liquid, and gas. And this matter is made up of tiny particles, which we call the atom. Why does these changes occur? This state of matter changes occur when matter loses or absorbs energy. Let's say here we have a molecule. If this molecule gains energy or loses energy, it results in changes. When substances absorb energy, the atoms and the molecules move more rapidly. An increase in kinetic energy pushes particles far enough that they change their forms. And these changes can result in either changing or converting from solid to gases, from gases to liquid, from liquid to gases, or from gases to solid. Notice that in terms of shape, the solid have a definite shape and the gases have no definite shape, and the liquid also have no definite shape. But the gas and the liquid, they literally take the shape of the container. What happened in the case of particle arrangement? If you look at it closely, the solids are tightly arranged or are tightly packed together. And in the case of liquid, we can say they are closely together. This is gas. In the case of liquid, they are closely gathered together, but they can still move from one place to another. What about the gas? Gas are freely movable. They are far apart, but they can also move from one place to another, like example like the nitrogen, oxygen, etc., etc. So notice that this solid, what happened to the solid in the case of particle movement? They vibrate in fixed position. Most times the particles vibrate in fixed position. An example of this solid we can have the ice, we can have the wood, we can also have the stone. While in the case of particle movement for the liquid, what happened? They flow or slide past each other. This is how they move past each other. That is in the case of the liquid. In the case of the solid, they move rapidly and freely. Either in the atmosphere or anywhere. Now let's look at the change of state between the solid, liquid, and gas. When solid is converted to gas directly, we call it sublimation. What happened for the reverse? That is from gas to solid, we call it deposition. What about from gas to liquid? We call it condensation. This is condensation. And the reverse to that, that is from liquid to gases, we call it evaporation. What happened from liquid? If you want to convert it to solid, we call it the freezing. And from solid, you want to convert it to liquid, we call it melting. So this is it for this problem. I hope you find it helpful. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to drop down some other links which is some topics related to this. Thank you for watching.